Can a rusty, forgotten bearing really become a razor-sharp knife? At first glance, it's just a chunk of corroded steel. Useless, right? But under the rust hides potential. We begin by stripping away years of decay, revealing the raw metal beneath. Once cleaned, it's heated until it glows, ready to be forged. With every hammer strike, the shape of a blade emerges from the ruins. Then comes the grind, refining the form, smoothing the edges. A quick quench locks in the strength, and careful honing brings it to a lethal sharpness. From junk to weapon. Would you ever guess this knife started as rusted scrap? It's a transformation built on fire, sweat, and skill, turning forgotten waste into a functional piece of art and survival.